Hey everyone! Today's video is all about the coolest 6 products out there. We'll talk about what makes them awesome and what to consider before you buy. Dive into the description for more deets and the latest prices. Roland SPD-SX PRO. The SPD-SX PRO is Roland's latest addition to their lineup of extremely usable and high-quality electronic pads, and this is their new flagship model with a host of powerful new features. They have made some enormous improvements and upgrades to the iconic SPD-SX to deliver an even better and more expansive drumming machine built for the most demanding gigs. To start with, the SPD-SX PRO has an upgraded 32 GB of internal memory, which is 8 times more than the original SPD-SX, which only has 4 GB, to allow you to load up even more samples onto the device. Additionally, the SPD-SX PRO now boasts an impressive 16-step sequencer, more responsive trigger pads, improved pad crosstalk protection, colorful LED backlighting for the pads, and a clear 4.3-inch color display. The customizable backlit pads are a huge upgrade, as drummers have had to previously use tape with the SPD-SX to be able to distinguish between the pads on dark stages, but these can now be seen easily. Roland has also improved this drum pad's internal build quality, making playing the SPD-SX PRO a delight to play. The pads are wonderfully responsive with a greater degree of sensitivity. In addition to better quality sounds, the SPD-SX PRO also now has more expansive audio output options, with 8 external outputs that can accommodate 4 stereo triggers or 8 mono triggers. Considering all these improvements, Roland has stepped up its game massively, and the SPD-SX PRO has now firmly cemented itself as the best electronic drum pad available. DDRUM DDNIO NIO. The classic 3-row 9-pad layout of electronic drum pads has made an indelible impression on drummers' minds since the success of Roland's SPD series. This format puts enough pads to simulate a full drum kit within a space that fits well on a desktop or on a stand when incorporated into a larger acoustic or electronic drum set, usually with many great sounds and connectivity expansion options. However, not everyone really needs the comprehensive professional options that drive up the cost of something like the Roland SPD-SX PRO. 2 dual triggers and 2 foot switch inputs let you build out a larger kit with optional pedals and external triggers. The 5-pin MIDI I/O and USB connections let you integrate the NIO to trigger sounds and sync tempos with computer and MIDI hardware setups. There are also separate headphone and main audio outputs and 1 8-inch audio input for piping in your own songs or tutorial lessons to play along to. Other helpful practice features include a loop recorder and metronome. The NIO's pads are not quite as responsive as some high-end multi-pads, but they are very powerfully built, and the whole unit is sturdy and ready for live performance. For its reasonable price, the NIO should make a very capable electronic drumming companion for years to come. Roland TD-02K. Made for a very simple setup in about the smallest footprint possible for a complete E-drum set, the Roland V-Drums TD-02KV presents the most unobtrusive option for getting the renowned V-drum sounds and build quality. It's even small and sturdy enough to be picked up and moved after a practice session. Its 3 tom pads offer a refined rubber surface, but the snare is a full dual-zone mesh heads V-drum with adjustable tension and a rim trigger for side stickings. Beginners can also focus on steady improvements with the built-in coach modes that dish out lessons like time checks, change up, quiet count, auto up-down, and even more. The AUX audio inputs let the user play along to music or tutorial video, and the modules also have a special slot in the back for an optional Boss Bluetooth Audio's MIDI adapter, which gives the TD-02 Bluetooth connectivity for audios and MIDI when purchased separately. but the modules also send both audio and MIDI over the USB ports for flexibility in recording to or playing virtual instruments from a computer. The TD-02K is priced at under $600, and the TD-02K is the same kit, except with a rubber snare pad rather than a mesh snare. It costs $200 less. LEKATO. Immerse yourself in a full drum set experience with the LEKATO Percussion Sample Pad. This electric drum pad features 9 velocity-sensitive drum pads, offering a wide range of percussive sounds with 600-plus preset sounds and 30 drum kits. The intuitive interfaces include LED indicators for each pad and a dots matrix LCD, ensuring seamless controls and precision. Expand your setup with additional triggers pad or acoustic drum triggers and connect to your computer through USB-B for easy MIDI controls. Customize your sounds with the ability to save up to 20 custom kits and effortlessly import your own sample using the Wave Manager software. With its versatility and professional-grade features, the LEKATO percussion sample pads are perfect for pros and beginners. With its extensive sound library, customizable option, and easy integration into music production setup, this drum pad provides a seamless drumming experience. Although there are some minor drawbacks, such as the menu navigations and pad triggering issues, the overall performance and values of the LEKATO percussion sample pads are excellent. Whether you are practicing at home, recording in the studio, or performing live, this drum pad is a reliable and versatile companion. Pyle PTED-08. The Pyle PTED-08 electronic portable electric tabletop Bluetooth machine is your ultimate solution for on-the-go drumming and music creation. This versatile device features 7 pads, including toms, snare drums, hi-hat, cymbals, and a kick bass, providing a comprehensive drumming experience. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair your device to stream music wirelessly and jam along to your favorite tracks. The included pedal controller adds authenticity to your drumming experience, allowing for precise control and expression. With USB and AUX inputs, you have multiple options for connecting external devices, expanding your music-making possibilities. The LED display panel provides clear and intuitive navigation, making it easy to customize settings and adjust parameters to suit your preferences. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills or a seasoned musician looking for a portable practice solution, the Pyle PTED08 delivers professional-grade performance in a compact and portable package. Elevate your drumming experience with the Pyle PTED08 electronic portable electric tabletop Bluetooth machine. ROCKSOCKI. The tabletop drum set boasts an impressive array of features, including 150 sounds, 50 songs, and 15 preset drum kits spanning various musical genres. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a novice, you'll appreciate the versatility and quality of every note produced. Designed for adult enthusiasts, this electronic drum set offers unparalleled convenience and portability. It can be powered either by the DC5V adapter or 3 AA batteries, making it ideal for on-the-go musicians. Enjoy playing through the built-in speakers or connect headphones for silent practice sessions, ensuring you don't disturb others. Equipped with 7 velocity-sensitive pads, music levels LED lights, and hi-hat and bass drum pedal controllers, this digital drum set faithfully reproduces the sound of a full drum kit, complete with toms, snare, hi-hat, crash, and ride cymbals. Perfect for both professional and beginner players, it also doubles as a MIDI controller when connected to a computer via the included USB-C cable, offering expanded functionality with compatible software. Additionally, the AUX input allows you to connect external music devices, amplifying the sound through the internal speaker. With its compact size and portability, this electronic drum set is suitable for all drum enthusiasts, providing a space-saving and convenient alternative to traditional drum kits. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or Christmas, this set makes an excellent gift for drum lovers of all ages and skill levels.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.